the things I've learned is some of the most challenging seasons or challenging moments can often lead to the most blessed opportunities.
When we come together, we can light it brighter.
Some people may not know by looking at my life now, but one of the greatest challenges that we've had to overcome and we still work with every day is my battle with cystic fibrosis. And that's what really drew my attention to growing and expanding my Mary Kay business. I've been able to really think about the best things for me and my health, and my Mary Kay business has worked around my life. Little did I know that I would spend, half a year on the road as we follow my husband's dreams of his career, but I can still build and continue to build my Mary Kay business along the way. I spend most of my time traveling the United States with my husband in our RV. And I love so much that I've got my Mary Kay office box, I've got my laptop, I've got my cell phone, and I'm in business. I get to support him by helping with all of his social and content. He's a professional fisherman, and so we start the morning with launches, video, photography, all the things for him to get out of the water to compete. And so you'll see me behind a camera, astonishingly so.
Anything is possible. When we come together, we can light it brighter.
The quicker you release the opinions of others, the quicker you will reach the freedom you desire. The day that we really decide that we're not going to let the opinion of somebody else determine the dream that God put in our heart is the day that you unleash the freedom and unleash the power that God has put within us. Because when you love people and you want to serve them well, they become such loyal customers. My favorite part of the business is being able to take Mary Kay anywhere I go. Anywhere I am in life, I can take my Mary Kay business along with me, and it's always there. That means that no matter what season of life you're in, no matter what city, what state you're in, no matter what challenge you're going through, no matter what it is, your Mary Kay business is always there. It just fits.
Anything is possible.